Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to show items with no data in Power BI. This is particularly useful when you're working with visualizations that have gaps in your data and you want to display those empty periods or categories to get a complete picture of your information. Let's get started by opening your Power BI application. Once you're in, navigate to the report page where you have your visualization. For this example, let's say you're working with a graph that displays date on the y-axis and sum of sales on the x-axis. This is a common setup for tracking sales performance over time, but you might notice that some dates are missing from your visual because there were no sales recorded on those days. Here's where the magic happens. Look at your y-axis where you can see date listed. You'll notice a small arrow icon right beside it. This arrow is your gateway to additional options for that specific axis. Go ahead and click on that arrow down button. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with several formatting and display options. From this menu, you'll see an option that says Show Items with No Data. Click on it to enable this feature. What this does is force Power BI to display all the dates in your dataset, even if there are no corresponding sales values for those dates. Instead of hiding those gaps, Power BI will now show them, giving you a more accurate and complete timeline of your data. And that's it. Your visualization will now include all items, even those with no data. This is incredibly helpful for identifying patterns, spotting gaps in your data collection, or simply ensuring your reports show the full picture rather than just the highlights. You'll now be able to see exactly which dates had no activity, which can be just as important as seeing which dates had high sales. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.